Hello students, good afternoon. How are you? Fine? Very good. Okay. Which subject I am teaching you? Which subject? Hindi? No? Then maths. Very good. I am your maths teacher. Okay. Again I am here to teach you maths. Okay. So which chapter we are doing? Chapter 2, and the name of that chapter is numbers up to 9. Numbers up to 9. Okay. Only the last topic is left. So today we will do that topic. Okay. And today no need to write in your notebook. Today we do in book only. Okay. No notebook today. The written work what we will do today we do in book. आज कॉपी में नहीं लिखना है. Okay, so close your notebook if you open it and keep it in your bag. Okay, no need to write in your notebook today. Today we write in the book only, because blank are given in book. Okay, so that work will remain in book. Okay, so open page number 28. Which page you have to open? Page 28. And what is the topic of that? Today's topic is position. Position. Okay. What is our today's topic? Position. So in our last topic, what we have done? We have done ordinal numbers. In our last topic, we have done ordinal numbers. And what is that ordinal number? Ordinal number is a number that show you the position. Show you the position or show you your place, the order of object. Okay, what is ordinal number? Ordinal number show the position or order of any number या anything. Okay, so that this position is also depend on ordinal numbers. Okay, so only you have to first see. All of you have opened page number 28. Okay, two questions are given there. One by one we will solve these questions. Okay. Count how many fish are there? How many fish are there? 1, 2. Okay, and some numbers are written on them. What is that number? That number is position. And in which form the number is written? Number is written in the ordinal form. Okay, in which form the number is given? The number is given in ordinal form. Okay, and the name of fish is also written. What is the name of fish? Different name are written on the fish also. Okay, so name is also given to, name is also written on the fish, and some position, some number is also written. Okay, so one by one we have to find out the position, which fish has which position, किस fish की कौन सी position है, that we have to find. Okay, what we have to find? We have to find the position of a number, the position of a fish by its name. Okay, किस fish की कौन सी position है, that we have to find. Okay, okay. Have you count how many fishes are there? How many fishes are there? किसने काउंट किया है? How many? 10. 10 fishes are there. No, then 9. Is it 9? No, then 10. Very good. All of you know counting. How many fish are there? There are 10 fishes, and different names are written on these fish. Okay, so I have drawn here. Don't write, only look on the board or look into your book what I am writing. I am writing the name of a fish and the position of a fish. That means on which position that fish is. Okay, now let's count how many fish I have drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, and let us count in book also. How many fishes are there? Count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, so these are the fishes on which its position are given, and name is also written. Okay, now what is the question? Write the position of each fish. What you have to write? The question is write the position. No need to write, you only have to see. Okay, just now no need to write. Write the position of each fish. We have to write the position of each fish. Okay, so what are the name of the fishes given? Let's write. B, I am, this and this. Two blanks are given. D, I am. We have to write the position here. J, I am. K, I am. Let's see whether we are able to see down or not. Yes. Last is L, I am. L, I am. Okay. So here we have written the names of how many fish? 5 fishes. Now this side also we write the name of 5 fishes. B, P, I am. Next R, I am. Next S, I am. Next, what is the name of next fish? Say T, I am. T, I am. And last is W, I am. W, I am. Okay. Now I am writing on the board the answer and you write the answer in your book with your pencil. Okay. What you have to do? You have to write the answer in your book. No need to write in notebook. Okay. You have to write the answer only in your book. Okay. Now see. The first one is already done for you. So no need to write the first one. Okay. So BIM. Where is BIM written here? You see in your book. Where is BIM? I can't find where BIM is written on the where the fish whose name is BIM. Oh, it is here. It is here. And what is the position of that fish? Which number is written inside? 2 and D. That means कैसे पढ़ते हैं? Second. So what we will write here? Second. This is the short form of ordinal form. And what is the spelling of second? We have to write here. What is the spelling of second? S-E-C-O-N-D. Second. This already done in your book, so no need to write this. Now start writing from second. First we find the position of second. So what is the position of DIM? First find where is DIM. Where is DIM written? Here it is. DIM. What is the position of DIM? Third. What is the position of DIM? Third. So write here third. This is the short form of ordinal number. Now what we have to write here? We have to write here the spelling of third. Right? T-H-I-R-D. Third. Write with me. All of you write in your book. First write here third. 3 and R, D. Small r and small d. 3 small r, small d. How do we read it as? We read this as third. Say third. And write the spelling of third. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Repeat. T-H-I-R-D. Third. Written? Okay. Now see. Next. What is the name of next fish? J-I-M, Jim. J-I-M, Jim. So where is Jim written? What is the position of Jim? Are you able to find? On which position the fish Jim is? It is at 6th position. Here it is. What is the position? 6th. Say 6th. Right here 6 and T and H. 6th. 6th. Okay. Now write the spelling of 6th. S-I-S 6 T-H 6th. S-I-X-T-H 6th. 6th. Okay. Written all of you? 6th. Okay, very good. Now next, what is the name of next fish? What is the name of next fish? K-I-M, Kim. K-I-M, Kim. And where is, on which position this fish is? What is the position of Kim? The position of Kim is, here it is. What is the position? Fifth. Fifth. Right, fifth, right? 5 TH. Fifth. Fifth. And what is the spelling of fifth? FIF. FIFTH. 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 Right, all of you? Fifth. Fifth. Okay? Written? Now see, what is the name of next fish? What is the name? LIM, limb. LIM, limb. Okay? Now, on which position this fish is? Are you able to find where is limb? Where is written LIM? Yeah. Here it is. And on which position? Its position is 7th. 7. Right here, 7 TH. 7. Right? 7 TH. 7. Okay? Written? And what is the spelling of 7? SEVENTH. 7. What is the spelling of 7? SEVENTH. 7. Okay? Now see next. Next. What is the name of next fish? PIM. Pim. Now where is Pim? Where is Pim? I didn't find it where Pim is written. See what is the position of Pim? Say. I can't hear you. What is the position of Pim? Where is? Yes, here it is. And what is the position? 8th. 8th, right? 8. TH. 8. Right? 8. TH. 8. And what is the spelling of 8? EIGHTH. 8. EIGHTH. 8. Okay. Now see. What is the name of another fish? Have you written this 8? Write fast. Those who are writing slowly. Those who are writing slow, write fast. Write fast, fast. Okay. Next. What is the name? RIM. Rim. What is the name? RIM. Rim. Again repeat. RIM. Rim. Okay. So where is rim? Here it is. RIM. Rim. And its position is 4th. Its position is 4th. Now what is the spelling of 4th? What is the spelling of 4? FOUR. 4th. TH. 4th. 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 Okay. Now next. Next is SIM. Sim. What is the next? SIM. Sim. Okay. Now where is Sim? Sim is here. At which position? First. What is the position of Sim? First. And what is the spelling of first? Right? FIRST. First. Again say FIRST. First. Again FIRST. First. Okay. Now next. What is the next name of next fish? TIM. Tim. Where is TIM? Tim? Here it is. Now what is the position of Tim? Last. That means 10th. 10th. And what is the spelling of 10th? What is the spelling of 10? TEN. TEN. 10th. So TH. 10. Very simple spellings are there. Na? You know the spelling of 1 to 10? Simple. Okay. Now WIM, the last fish. The last fish. WIM. What is its position? 9th. 9th. 9 TH. And what is the spelling of 9th? NIN. TH. 9th. NINTH. 9th. N-I and T-H 9. All of you write it. Okay, write. You write. Till then I am writing this next question on the board. Okay. Which picture is there in the next question? What is that picture? Balloon. Very good. Okay. So I don't have colored pen. So what I will do? I will write the color on the top of that balloon. Okay. For example, the first balloon. This is the first balloon. And what is its position? Its position is first. Okay. Its position is first. And what is its color? Its color is red. So I am writing here red. R-E-D. Red. Okay. No need to write. You don't write. You only see. Okay. And what you have to do? You have to write in book when I tell you to write. Okay. Otherwise don't write. Now second balloon. Okay. Its position is second. And what is the color of that balloon? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Now third balloon. How many balloons are there? Count. All of you count how many balloons are there. How many balloons are there? 10. Very good. What is the color of third balloon? What is the color of third balloon? Green. Green. G-R-E-E and green. Next balloon. Fourth. And what is the color of fourth balloon? The color of fourth balloon is yellow. What is its color? Yellow. Okay. Next, fifth balloon. Okay. Next, fifth. And what is the color of that fifth balloon? Orange. Orange. Okay. Orange. Now see. Next, sixth balloon. Now what is the color of that balloon? Orange. No. Then which color is that? Green. No. Its color is red. The sixth balloon is of red color. Now next seventh balloon. And what is the color of that seventh balloon? What is that color? Blue. B-L-U-E. Blue. Now eighth balloon. And what is the color of that eighth balloon? Green. G-R-E-E-N. Green. Now 9. 9. Okay. And what is the color of ninth balloon? Say. What is its color? Yellow. Yellow. Very good. Now last balloon. What is the color of last balloon and what is its position? Its position is 10 and its color is orange. Okay. Its color is orange. Okay. All of you have written this first question. Copied in your book. Okay. Now second. Just now no need to write anything. Only see on the board. When I tell you to write, that time you write in your book only. Today we are not writing in class or copy in your notebook. Today we are not writing. Today all our work is in book only. Okay. In this question also what we have to do? We have to write the position of the balloon. Position of the balloon, that on which position the red balloon is, on which position the blue balloon is. Okay. So according to the color of the balloon, we have to write the position. Okay. So first I will write the question on the board. Only you have to see. Okay. No need to write. 1 and read with me. T-H-E. What is T-H-E? T-H-E. The. Very good. The dash. इसको क्या बोलते हैं? Blank means dash. The dash. When we read the sentence, we read it as the dash and dash, or the fill in the blank and fill in the blank. So it will take more time. It will be odd when we are reading. So we read it as the dash and dash balloons BALLOONS. Balloons are red. Okay, RED, red. Now second question. So what is the dash and dash balloons are red. You have to write the position of red balloon. Which position of which balloon you have to write the position? We have to write the position of which balloon? Red balloon. Okay, so where is red? Red is this. That means first, on first position. And on which position the red balloon is? Where is red? Here is red. And sixth. So the position of red balloon are, we put here, I am putting here little small cross, so that the position of these two balloons we have written. Okay, you see in your book, where is red balloon? Where is red balloon and what is the position? See, what is the position? Here first and here sixth. These two are red, and what is its position? First and sixth. So first and sixth. Okay, now the second question. The second question. THE. What is THE? The dash and dash balloons are green. Green. You have to write the position of which balloon? Position of green balloons. Now see, on which position green balloon is? Third, eighth. What is the position of green balloon? Third and eighth. So in these two blank, first we will write here third, and here what we will write? Eighth. These two are the position of green balloons. Okay. Now next question. The dash and dash balloons are blue. Okay, now see, what are the position of blue balloon? See, where is the blue? Here, second and seventh. So what is the position of blue balloon? The position of blue balloon is second, seventh. So write here second, and write here 7. Are you writing or not? You have to fill in the blank in your book. You have to fill these blank. You have to write these answer in your book. Don't write in your copy, okay? Now the next question. Yellow. Fourth. The dash and dash balloons are which color? Yellow. We have to find the position of which balloon? Yellow color balloon. Okay. Now see, find. You tell me what is at what position the yellow balloon is. What is the position of yellow balloon? Find. You have written in your book. Very good. Now you write the last also, orange wala. Okay. Then I will write the answer and you check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay. So these two questions you do. The last two questions you do. You fill in the blank these two. These two you do yourself. Then I will write the answer and you check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay. Write this. These two questions you do. Okay. Written or not? Okay. Some have written and some are writing. Okay. Write fast those who are writing. Write fast the position of yellow balloon and orange balloon. Written? All have written? Okay, now let's check whether you have written right or wrong. Okay, check your answers. Fourth, the dash and dash balloons are yellow. The dash and dash balloons are yellow. So what are the position of yellow balloon? Okay, I am writing the answer. You check in your book. Okay, you have written right or wrong. Fourth, the position of yellow balloon is fourth and ninth. The position of yellow balloon is fourth and red. Right or wrong? What you have written? Check in your book. Right. You have written right. Very good. Clap for yourself. Clap, clap, clap. Very good. Now last, you have to write the position of orange balloon. Okay, I am writing the answer. You check in your book whether you have written right or wrong. Okay. So I am writing fifth and 10th. 5th and 10th. Okay. Check what you have written. Have you written this 5th and 10th? Or something else you have written? Same. You have written 5th and 10th. Very good. Clap for yourself. Okay. Now very clever. You are able to solve the fill in the blanks also. Very good. Okay. Now I hope all of you have written this. Done? Very good. Now one worksheet is given on page number 30. Let's solve that worksheet. Very simple it is. That also you have to do in your book only. Take out page number 20. Page number 30. Open all of you this page number. Page number 30. Turn the page. Only one page you have to turn. Okay. So open page number 30. And one worksheet is given on that page. This worksheet also we do in book only. Okay. Today no writing work in notebook. Okay. Only the work today will do in our book only. So this question also we do in book. See what is the question. What is the first question written? Read all of you. Are you able to read or not? First you read it. Okay. What is the question? COUNT. COUNT means count. Count the objects. Objects, that means you have to count the pictures, number of pictures. So many pictures are there. Okay. So you have to count these objects. Okay. You have to count the objects in each group. So many, how many groups are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 6 groups are there. And different pictures are given in that groups. Okay, 6 groups are there and 6 groups are having different pictures. So you have to count these groups, and what you have to write? You have to write the numbers. You have to write the numbers. Okay, so what we are doing? We are solving the first question that is given on work. That is given on page number 30 worksheet. Okay, this already you have written. Okay, so what we are doing? We are solving the worksheet that is given on which page? Page number already I have written on the board. Page number 30. Okay, the first question. I write the question also. So first question. What is that question? Count the objects. What is that question? Count the objects in each group and tick the correct answer. You have to count the picture and you have to tick on the correct numbers. Now see how many, what is the first picture given? The first picture is flower. Okay. So count how many flowers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So is 4 here? Where is 4? In the middle. So take it. Now what is the next picture? Next picture, button. How many buttons are there? You have to count and do it. Are you able to do it? Okay. This is your homework. You do it on your own. Okay. Now same the second question. This is matching. Okay. You have to count the number of picture, and according to the number of picture you have to count the match it with the number. Okay. So these two questions is your homework. Do it in your notebook. Okay. I am writing homework on the board. page 30 worksheet. Okay, in notebook you have to write in your notebook. First to solve it in your book and then write these questions in your notebook. Okay, so for today it is sufficient. Now we will continue in our next lecture. Okay, bye.